Welcome everybody. This is me Dilip from Software College, uh, and my Coventry and college ID is 410404, and this is my project, which name is Kali's Farm, Rhino Sport and Kali's Farm. Okay, Rhino Sport and Kali's Farm. So let's just start it. So this is my project. This is the backend of my project, where you can see I have add express, body parser, mongo, scores, and .env files, packages, and I have also used .env so that my connection URL, MongoDB connection URL uh, can be secure. So this is my MongoDB connection, and now let's go to the modules. This is my modules, about modules, Kali's info modules and user modules. And for those modules, this is a routes, user routes, Kali's routes, and about routes. And now let's go to the controller side. So this is my controller where I can create, get, create, delete, update all the about pages, files, and documents. And this is my Kali's info, where I can give about Kali's various kind of information, something like Kali's food, Kali's menu, and lots of things. So I can search in Kali's info. I can get all the data. I can get simple one specific data of one specific food, and I can create the data. I can update it and delete it. Okay, this is my controller. So after that, I think this is it. In the package JSON, I have used like this. This is my script tag, and this is a dependency where I have used lots of things like this web token for login and registration. Okay, so now let's go to frontend. So what I have done in frontend is going to start it. So now let's go to frontend. As you can see, I have already uploaded this frontend in Netlify, so you can see you can watch my you can see my website from here also. Okay, just like that, I have used Heroku to push my data, so you can see from here also. Okay, I am Dilip Tawari, a from Software College. Okay, Software College, and this is the folder. So this is a public folder, and this is a src folder. So now in the src folder there is app.js file where all the routes are introduced, and in the API I have used Redux. Okay, this is API. To call API I have used Redux. To manage state I have used Redux. Okay, and this is index file where I get all the data from backend using this URL. This is a URL. Let me show you. It is a genuine URL. Okay, so let me copy and paste it, and as you can see, this is a genuine URL. And if I type this, then I will get a lot of all of my datas from here. Okay, these are the datas. 1 2 3 4 are the datas, and this is current page, and there is number of page. Okay, this is my datas. So this is it, and in action I have managed all the things. In the reducer also I have do lots of things like Kali's start in. This is called loading. I have used this as a loading effect. Okay, I have fetched the data, I have fetched single data, I have sorts, I have used sorts, and I have used lots of things like create, update, and delete that I fetching it, okay, from the API. and then after API call and lots of things. Now let's go to components, something like admin page. Okay, in the admin page there is a form. Okay, this the form user can easily in the admin page. Let me show you from here. Okay, this is my admin page, or I can simply run this one npm start, and here also I have to run npm start, so in the background also, backend also. So look, the server is running and the front end is also running. Okay, so let me open in Brave. So this is it. As you can see, this is my website. Rhino is put, and the game farm Kali's farm. Okay, and this is the about this is about Kali's info, and this is about farm food. Okay, and here you can see also food gallery where we can search lots of things like sand. Let me search that. So you can get sand. Okay, this is nothing but, so if I write fried chicken also, I can search something like this easily. Fried chicken. I can also go to lawnmower, but I have to be a genuine user to see and to buy these products. Okay, or this food. So let me go to first admin session. So, and I have also used Google sign in. Okay, so let me log in as admin. Okay, 0202 is my password. Okay, and I don't want to save it. So welcome sir, welcome every admin sir, and create this. Okay, so admin can easily create a this, and this is a this, and it can, they can also delete it, and they can also update it by clicking this three dotted button. Okay, look, and if I say send dis this. Okay, and if I click submit, then it will be some changes. Okay, look, sand is, now let me create some dishes. Okay, so I will call it I will call it something like, let me check, strawberry. Okay, strawberry. Okay, strawberry. Strawberry is a delicious food. Okay, something like this. And I can also set the price 200, and tags like str. Okay, so okay, and this is are the tags, strawberry foods, and many other, you can do it. Okay, and if I click submit, then it will be reload, and it will show it. Okay, so this, as you can see, I think it is in the next page. Okay, and this, as you can see, oh sorry, so it is in the first page, strawberry. Okay, as you can see, it is edit, and if I want to delete this, I can simply click on delete, and admin can easily delete it. Okay, and there is also another page, another crude operation I have made, which is called create as create a about page. Okay, and same thing follows here. So I can also update it from Kali's. Okay, Kali's and lots of things, but I won't do. So now let's log in as what you say, as user. Okay, so if I click on Google sign in, I can easily sign in with Google, something like this. Let me sign in with Technosons123. This is my account. Okay, and if I get sign in, then I can easily add to cart. Okay, look, the product is added, product is added, product is added, and product is added. Okay, so you can see from here this products is added. Okay, so I can easily minimize these products. Okay, these are our products. Okay, I can minimize it, I can add the product, something like this, and I can also click on buy now. Okay, there is Khalti pay. Okay, and I can easily pay with Khalti. Yes, so let's try to pay with Khalti. Okay, so Okay, so I have write my credential. Okay, a khalti mobile number and khalti pin. So if I click here, now the khalti will ask me about my confirmation code. As you can see, the khalti message is just come in my mobile phone, and I'm going to write that pin number. Okay, so this is my pin number. Okay, so after I click on pay, then you can see the payment successful message just pop up. That means my payment is done. Okay, so this is the method to pay. Okay, khalti pay, and there is also iseba pay. So now after we done this and everything is set up correctly. So guys, this is my project. Thank you for watching and thank you for loving it. Okay, bye bye everybody. Thank you for your time. Okay, and your support. Bye bye.